In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products in Wix. If you're setting up a new store or updating a growing catalog, importing products with a CSV file is the fastest way to get everything in place and keep your data consistent. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share useful tips so your import goes smoothly the first time. Start on your site's dashboard. On the left-hand pane, click Catalog. This is where all of your store items live, and it's the hub for bulk actions like importing. Once you're there, look to the top right and open the More Actions menu. Choose Import. This tells Wix you want to bring in products using a CSV file, which is just a simple spreadsheet saved in a format that works well for large lists. If you already have a CSV ready, you can select it here and move forward. If you don't, no problem. You can download a template to properly format your products. This template shows you the exact column names Wix expects, like product name, price, SKU, and any variant details. Matching those headers is important because it helps Wix map your data correctly during the import. Another great option is to export your old list first. Make your changes in that file, and then import it back in. Exporting gives you a reliable snapshot with the right structure, so edits like updating prices, adding images, or correcting SKUs are easy to handle in bulk. As you prepare your CSV, keep a few things in mind. Make sure your SKUs are unique if you use them. They help prevent mix-ups. For prices, use plain numbers without currency symbols, and keep consistent decimal points. For images, links to image URLs work best, and if you include multiple images, separate them clearly in the way the template shows. Stick to the exact column names from the template, avoid extra spaces and headers, and save the file as a CSV in UTF-8 encoding to prevent weird characters from appearing. When you run the import, Wix will read your file and map the columns to the right fields. If anything doesn't match, adjust your CSV headers to mirror the template exactly, then try again. After the import completes, take a quick look through your catalog to confirm titles, prices, and images appear as expected. And that's all. By using the catalog area, selecting Import from More Actions, and working with the provided CSV template, or exporting your existing list to edit, you can import products into Wix quickly and confidently.